Did you know the letter Z can make a special clicking sound? Let's learn with our friend Zuri from South Africa. Listen carefully. Click, click, click. That's not just a fun noise. Those clicks are real letters in the Zulu language. Over 11 million people speak Zulu every day. Now you try. Put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and make a gentle click. Click, perfect. You're speaking Zulu, just like Zuri. The letter Z starts words like zebra and zigzag. But in Zulu, Z can click too. You just learned something amazing about African culture while practicing your ABCs.